Well, tomorrow, Tacoma's police chief is going to give the city council an update on his plan for crime reduction. The first version came out back in July when Chief Avery pitched more police visibility, especially in neighborhoods where we see crime happen repetitively. And he also wanted more resources and outreach.
As the Tacoma City Council prepares to find out how that's going, leaders in Pierce County are preparing for a forum on public safety.
Fox 13's Frankie Thompson has the details tonight.
People in Pierce County are tired of the rising crime and violence deteriorating their communities. They're bringing leaders in law enforcement and elected officials to the table for a public safety forum that can help them find solutions towards reclaiming their neighborhoods and their safety.
More crime scenes are showing up across Tacoma at an uncomfortable rate for longtime residents like Brett Johnson.
I am outraged about the level of crime and the violent crime that's occurring. I'm concerned and scared as a parent. We just had a drive-by, or actually not a drive-by, but a homicide shooting about 500 feet from my house.
The Washington Council of Police and Sheriffs is the state's largest organization of members in law enforcement. Executive Director Teresa Taylor says she regularly hears frustrations from officers about state laws hindering their efforts to protect their communities.
It's ironic, I guess, because I think that the idea was that reforms were necessary in order to help some members of community feel better served. And unfortunately, one of the consequences of some of these reforms has been to leave officers feeling as though they're not able to provide the help and support that they've historically provided.
Johnson, president of Tacoma Safe, says he believes reforms are some reasons why crime is rising in his city. There have been 36 homicides in 2022, a record for Tacoma.
We're seeing some pretty rapid deterioration, and in the last probably 2 months, it's escalating even more.
Hoping to turn things around, Johnson, Taylor, and their organizations are teaming up to host a public safety forum. The community will have a chance to share their concerns with law enforcement, including retired Pierce County Sheriff Paul Pastor.
But they can't do it alone, and community can't do it alone. We really do need to talk, understand each other, understand what resources are available, what limitations there are to the resources that we have, and how can we best utilize our skills collectively to reduce crime and improve safety.
The goal of the conversation is to also talk about solutions and who best can help people like Johnson save their neighborhoods.
By and large, the state is responsible for a lot of these things, whether it be through funding or through policy changes. And so we want to get the message out there to residents that we don't have to be beating down City Hall's door, because City Hall really doesn't have the tools or the jurisdiction to get the fixes that we need to improve and restore our community.
The Public Safety Community Forum will be tomorrow here at Mountain View Funeral Home. It's open for anyone to come and join the conversation, which starts at 5:30 p.m. Reporting in Lakewood, Frankie Thompson, Fox 13 News.